It's Sunday now, and it's just stopped raining, and I'm down St John's and Ledger again. I'm hoping to get a glimpse of these buzzards a little bit later on. So with any luck, because of the rain, they'll have stayed under cover. That'd be good. Catch those actually on the perches rather than flying in the sky, which I don't think they're going to do today, but we'll see. Just look at that one. Oh, here she comes. Bit of foul mouth. That reminds me, I've not given the girls down to histamine either. So I'll have to give it them as soon as we get back. Until it could do with a trim. But because of the rain, I've been doing little jobs. Well, making some chopping boards this morning. What the hell's got Tilly got on her head? Tilly? Tilly! Alright, it's gone. Just seen the buzzard land in the top of that tree, right in the centre of the screen, at the top there. There's a few crows about as well, but yeah, it's up there, so I'm going to head there anyway. Oh, I'm a little bit nearer to it now. Oh. So as I was saying, I've just seen a massive hare run down the back of there. That would have, it was huge. Much bigger than a rabbit. It's like a small dog. But it's a good job Tilly didn't see that one. She'd have been after that. Poppy's just had a thorn in her foot, noticed a limping, and took a little look. Yeah, there's a great big thorn under her foot. Bless her. She's up there somewhere. There she is. There's a load of rabbits over this side, so no doubt the sensors are working overtime.
Bye.